let's go. Let's do this.
Talk to me now.
Ooh, look at that hair looking so gorgeous. I love it. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and welcome to episode 2 of the Natural Hairstyle for Work series. Now guys, this was one of the days I had absolutely no idea what to do with my hair. So I was there admiring it, but then I figured, you know what? Let's do a crown twist and a low bun. So using the parts that were already in my hair from the twist of the night before, I parted 2 sections to the front and put them into some twists. I then take my white tooth comb and go through the hair to the back. Guys, like I said, you really don't need to put the comb or pass the comb through the hair that much. I just love how it feels, so I am a little extra with it. After that, I then take my brush so that I can smooth it out a little bit. I then take a hair tie and put it into a low bun. Once I am done putting the hair tie to the back, I then move to those 2 sections to the front and I put each section into some flat twists. And here I am guys, figuring out how I'm going to put the ends of the bun to the back, because I was thinking, should I do braids, should I do twists? But then I figured, you know what, let's do a donut bun without the donut, but I am going to wrap the hair around itself. So I am spreading it from the middle, and then I am going to just wrap it around itself on that bun until it looks like a donut bun. So it's going to end up looking somewhat like a nice little messy bun, not too messy, but not too neat either, had I used the donut. So I'm just wrapping it, and I'm going to take some hairpins and pin it into place.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly.
I then take each of those flat twists and pin them to the back. Now guys, when I was done pinning the flat twist to the back, I looked at it and I really wasn't sure about it. I honestly did not like how it looked, so I took it down. I took them down because, I don't know, something about it I just did not like, and I just could not go with having it that way forward. So I took them down, I passed my white tooth comb through it a little bit, I then smoothed it out with my brush, and instead of doing the 2 flat twists, I just went ahead and do 1 flat twist to the front. I twisted from left to right, and once I was done doing that, I just pin it to the back. Now guys, this is it. Simple, cute, crowned flat twist with a low bun. Simple hairstyles for work. Simple, quick hairstyles for work. This is what it is all about, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this hairstyle. Let me know if you try it or if you do anything similar for work. And I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.